everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi 12 and let me share with you how to clear credentials on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings, and now we have to scroll down, maybe not to very bottom, but we have to scroll down to find the passwords and security. Now let's scroll down and tap on privacy here. And as you can see, in advanced section on the very first position we've got encryption and credentials. So let's enter. And almost at the very bottom of the list we've got clear credentials option. So the option we are looking for, let's tap on it. Your device will of course ask you if you really want to remove all the contents, so just tap on OK. If you've got a pattern or pin or actually any kind of screen lock, you will have to enter it in order to confirm the whole step. And as you can see, the credential storage has been erased successfully. What's more, we cannot tap on this clear credentials, so we've got the evidence that we just removed all the certificates. So actually this is it. This is how to remove credentials in your Xiaomi 12. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.